So today we are going to see a very important reflex, that is the spinal galant reflex. Hello parents, welcome to my channel Seven Sky Child Rehab. So what is a spinal galant reflex? This is a reflex which will basically integrate between 3 to 9 months of age maximum. But if it is present beyond that, then it may cause various issues. So what is the importance of this? It helps in the hip mobility during the birth canal, and it also helps in the bladder functions. But if it is persistent beyond that age, like beyond 9 months, then it is going to create problems in the child. So what kind of issues you will see? The child may have behavioral issues. The child will be too restless, like child will have problem in sitting still. The child will be rocking always, or the child will be moving the legs front and back, or fidgeting something always, or bedwetting issues. So if you see all these things in the child, then maybe that the spinal galant reflex is still present. So come check out with me the spinal galant reflex testing. So for this, the child's position will be in a crawl position, like the hands down supported and the knees also supported. The stimulus which we have to give for the testing is, you have to gently stroke on the sides of the spine from up to bottom till the hips. The reaction will be that the child will shift towards the side of the stroking. So if you are stroking on the right side, then the child will tilt on the right side. If you are stroking on the left side, the shift will be on the left side. So this should be present maximum till 9 months of age. If it is present beyond that, then it is the indication that the spinal galant reflex is not integrated. So now, how shall we integrate the spinal galant reflexes? Come, let's check the exercises for spinal galant reflex integration.
Now we'll see the exercises for the spinal galant reflex. In this, you can make the child lie down in the sleeping position and ask the child to slide forward and backward. Then is the snow angels exercise, in which you have to ask the child to open the hands and legs together and close it together. It should be a simultaneous work with hands and legs. And the third is the bottom scooting, in which you have to ask the child to scoot front and scoot back also with the bums only. It's very effective for the spinal muscles. Then it is the reverse snow angels, in which you have to ask the child to lift the chest and the head and merge the hands forward and backward. You have to tell the child to touch the hands forward and backward. It's very effective.
So please stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like button if you have liked my video. Thank you.